So, hello guys. Today we have another problem named as unique paths, and let us see what it states. A robot is located at the left top corner of a M cross N grid marked as start in the diagram below. So we are starting from here. We can see this robot, and the robot can only move either down or right at any point of time. So the robot can go to here or here. Okay, anywhere the robot is, the robot can either move to the right or go down. So the robot is trying to reach the bottom right corner of the grid marked as finish in the diagram below. So robot has to reach here. The robot has to reach here by either going down or taking right. Okay, so we just need to tell how many possible unique paths are there. Cool. So understanding this part was easy. Now we just need to return an integer that will tell that how many possible paths are there. So if we look at the example, the length of the grid is 3 cross 2, m is 3 and 2, so the output will be 3. Explanation: from the top left corner there are total 3 ways to reach the bottom right corner. Okay, right, right, down, right, down, right, down, right. So in order to solve this problem you will have to visualize it first. So let me help you and then I'll tell how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so suppose we have taken this array that was given to us in the example, 3 cross 2 matrix. Okay, so this is the 3 cross 2 matrix. Okay, so cross n is 3 cross 2. Okay, we have to reach here and we are starting from here. This is the start. Okay, so if I ask you that we are starting from here, okay, so in how many ways can we reach this is the starting point. So if I ask you in how many ways can we reach this, can we reach here, so there is only one way. You will take a right from start and you will reach here, so mark it as 1. Similarly, if I ask you in how many ways can we reach here from start, so there is only single way. You will take you will go down and there is only one way. Similarly, if I want to reach here, I'll go down 2 times, so there is only single way. You'll come directly here. Okay, so one way. Now understand this part. If I want to reach here, either I can go right and then go down, so 1, or the other way is I'll go down first and then take right. So there are 2 ways, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Now if we want to reach here, so 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3 is our answer. So that was the example case that we were given. If you look at it again, so there you can see there are 3 possible: right, right, down, right, down, right, and down, right. So 3. So in this way only we are going to solve our problem. We'll take a 2D array. Okay, we'll initialize all the 0th all the all the first row, or you can say the first row with 1, and all the first column with 1, and then we'll just if I want to calculate in how many ways I can reach here, so I'll just add the last column and the last row. Okay, hope it makes sense. So now just let us just jump onto the coding part. Okay, so so what we're gonna take first of all, and array 2D array for storing the maximum possible ways. Okay, no new, and now initializing the 0th row and columns by 1. So for data equals 0 minus y plus plus and similarly all rows by all the columns by 1 also. So data equals 0 I must in this then plus plus now we'll write loop for the dynamic part. Okay, you can see that from where I wrote this formula and it was depicted in the diagram. If you need to calculate this, you will add this and this. So that is what I am doing here in this code. This line symbolizes that only. I am adding the last the just above element and the element that is left to the current element. So we are just adding it and keeping it in the array, storing it, and now we'll return the last element of the array. That will be the answer. Okay, so this was it, and it was an easy one. So just let's run it to check. What is the error? Getting it index out of bound. Why is it showing index out of bound? What have I done wrong? You need to start both loops from 1. Else if you'll start from 0, this I minus 1 0 minus 1 will take you to the -1 index that does not exist. That is why it was giving index out of bound exception. Hope now it runs. Okay, accepted. No, format it. Oh, cool, accepted. So that was it. It was a classical problem of dynamic programming. So see you in the next.